Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on zoo. A zoo is a place where animals are kept for people to see. Many different kinds of animals live in a zoo like lions, elephants and monkeys. Zoos help us learn more about animals from all over the world. Some animals in zoos are wild and come from jungles, deserts and oceans. Zoos have special areas or enclosures for each type of animal. Zookeepers take care of the animals and feed them every day. Zoos are fun places to visit with family and friends. Many zoos work to protect endangered animals. Zoos teach us how to respect and care for nature. Visiting a zoo can be exciting and helps us understand animals better. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.